Salut et bonjour. We are going to talk about la routine du matin, your morning routine. We're also going to talk about maybe the way the rest of your day plays out too, if we have time. I always do end my 8th grade year with this, so you guys actually are going to be great going into the high school, no matter what level you're going into, because you will see this in French 2 and French 3 again. And so I just wanted to make sure that you guys got this. It is très facile. So you can, we're going to all end this year with an A in French, an A plus, oui, because this is so easy and you guys did great on your passé composé. Oui, most of you did amazing. So you're going to be seeing those grades skyrocket. So pay attention to this because I want all of you to end the year with an A. And this is so easy. All right, la routine du matin. Oui. Here we go. Look at this one. It moves slow with Screencastify. Je me lève. I get up. Je me lève. Now we know lève le main. We lève le main. So this me means me. I get myself up, right? Je me lève. Je me lève. I'm getting up. Je me lève. Je lève le main. Je lève le stylo. Right? So when I'm just getting my body up, me, je me lève. Je me lève. Facile. Me, je me lève. I get up. Je me brosse les dents. I'm brushing myself the teeth. Je me brosse les dents. I thought I had a toothbrush here, but I do not. Je me brosse les dents. And I can also say je me brosse les cheveux. Je me brosse les cheveux. I'm brushing myself on the hair. Me? Now, if I was going to brush the dog, je brosse le chien. You don't use the me because you're not doing it to yourself anymore. I'm doing it to myself. I'm brushing myself on the hair. Je me brosse les dents. Je me brosse les cheveux. Oui, so we've got je me lève, je me brosse les dents, and then je me brosse les cheveux. What are les dents? Teeth. Dentist. Je me peigne. Je me peigne. Now you can add les cheveux here too. Je me peigne les cheveux. I'm combing my hair. Je me peigne. Je me brosse les cheveux. Je me maquille. I'm sure you can tell what she's doing. Je me maquille. This is maquillage. Wait, look, I have maquillage here at school. Je me maquille. I'm going to put makeup on myself. Oui, je me maquille. Je me maquille. Right? Je me maquille. Now, maybe my friend over there, Senora Mann, maybe she needs some makeup. Maybe Mrs. Edelson needs some makeup. I don't know. Je maquille Madame Edelson. I'm going to put makeup on Madame Edelson. Oui, je me maquille. Right? I make up myself. Je me maquille. Now, look, we don't see a me. It's just je mets mon deodorant. I put on my deodorant. Je mets, we saw this with clothing in the beginning of 7th grade. It means to put on. So je mets mon déodorant. Déodorant. Je mets mon déodorant. Now, you may notice that there's deodorant is kind of the object. I don't want to get grammar, even though you know I love it. Yes, I'm doing it to myself, but I'm not putting myself on anything, right? If I was going to jump up on the table and put myself there, je me mets. I put myself on the table. But here I have something that I'm using, right? Je mets mon déodorant. Oui? You could say, anyway, so that's it. Mon déodorant, I put on deodorant, does not need a reflexive. I am doing it to myself, but the deodorant is actually doing it to me. Je ne sais pas. Okay. Je m'habille. I'm getting dressed. Je m'habille. Oui, je m'habille. Now, does this mean that you can't say je mets mon anorak? Here, I'm putting on, well, actually, this is not an anorak, it's a blouson. Je mets mon blouson. Je mets, or je m'habille. I get dressed. I'm getting myself dressed. I get dressed. Je m'habille. Oui, je m'habille. Je prépare mon sac. Now that looks like a suitcase, oui, but je prépare mon sac, that's what I do every morning. right? I got my beautiful OGS school bag that I'm so proud of, and I put all my stuff in it. Ma stylo, lunettes, cahier de français. Oui, je prépare mon sac. Now, I'm not doing it to myself. I'm doing it to le sac. So, again, just like mon déodorant, I'm not doing it. There's something else involved. Mon déodorant, mon sac. Oui, bravo. Je me lave les mains. I'm doing it to myself. I'm washing myself on the hair. Now, I'm sorry, I'm washing myself on the hands. I just gave away the answer. What if I said, where is it? This is, no. Oh, this is my shampoing. It's from France. Oui, what if I wanted to wash my hair? I'm going to wash myself the hair. Yep. Je me lave les cheveux. Je me lave les cheveux. Bravo. Excellent. Je me lave les mains. Je me lave les cheveux. Wash it up. Je prends mon petit déj. Now, I'm not taking myself, and you would never say like je me mange. You can say je mange le petit déj or je prends mon petit déj. I take my breakfast. Je prends mon café. Je vais à l'école. Moi, j'y vais au travail. Je vais à l'école ou je vais au travail. Again, you don't say je me vais, even though you are going yourself. Je vais à l'école. You have a place that you're going. Je vais à l'école. So here are each of these reflexive verbs, and most of you got these right. Je me brosse, I'm brushing myself. Je me lève, I'm getting myself up. Je m'habille, getting myself dressed. Je me maquille, putting makeup on myself. Je me lave les mains, washing my hands. You are going to get, all right, so reflexive verb is just when you have the me attached. I'm not going to make you learn all kinds of crazy stuff. You're just going to get some vocabulary to start working with. You're going to start preparing your own morning routine. So first, I'm going to give you some vocabulary that you're going to practice and learn. And you're going to do a little bit of story reading, and then you're going to start your project is kind of just you're going to put together a little book about your morning routine. All right, let's go through and practice these again. The prononciation, parce que c'est très important, la prononciation. All right, here we go. La routine du matin. Je me lève. Je me brosse les dents. Je me peigne. Je me brosse les cheveux. Je me maquille. Je mets mon déodorant. Je m'habille. Je prépare mon sac. Je me lave les mains. Je prends mon petit déj. Je prends mon café. Je vais à l'école. Moi, je vais au travail. Me? How many garçons have to do this in the morning? Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Je me rase. Je me rase. Je me lève as I get up. I'm also going to teach you I wake up. Je me réveille. And there's a few others, like style my hair. Je me coiffe. So there's a few others that I am going to introduce you. Like I said, you're going to be getting some vocabulaire to start to learn and study. Start with this and then check out, the following assignments. All right, merci beaucoup. We'll be having a meet soon to practice some reflexive stuff. But hey, good news, these are all ER verbs. So it's just, look at, they all end in E, well, except for mettre. It's different. Je me maquille, je me brosse, je me peigne, je me brosse, je me lève. Facile. All right, mesdames et messieurs, merci beaucoup et à la prochaine.